yo, that's a boy.
Nzoia Governor George Natembeya and other leaders were dispersed with tear gas after police blocked their attempt to access Nzoia Sugar Company. The leaders addressed residents at Bukembe Market, accusing the government of crippling Western Kenya's economy by handing over key industries to private interests. Natembeya warned that leasing Nzoia Sugar to the same investor linked to the collapse of Webuye Pan Paper would destroy the region's last remaining industrial asset. A dramatic standoff unfolded on Monday. The leaders who were attempting to access the Nzoia Sugar Company in Bungoma County to process its controversial lease to a private investor. The confrontation came after the leaders addressed a charged gathering at Bukembe Market, where they voiced strong opposition to the government's plan to lease the ailing sugar mill.